I spent 3 hours wandering IKEA's textile maze last month, desperately seeking curtains that wouldn't look like cheap dorm sheets. I grabbed a pair that seemed perfect, brought them home, and they shrank 4 inches in the wash while failing to block even a sliver of streetlight. Choosing IKEA curtains is a gamble of confusing fabrics and misleading light filtering claims. But after buying, hanging, and testing dozens of their most popular options, I finally found the ones actually worth your money. Here are the top 7, leading to the ultimate choice. LENDA. Starting off at number 7, we have the LENDA curtains in the light gray-green colorway. I picked these up because they come with matching tiebacks and feature a rustic look for casual spaces. The fabric initially felt substantial for the price, boasting a thick, textured cotton blend. However, my optimism faded once hanging them. The included heading tape is supposed to make creating perfect pleats easy. In practice, the tape on this model felt stiff and cheap, making it frustrating to thread hooks evenly. The fabric is also prone to stubborn wrinkles. I spent 45 minutes steaming one panel, only for it to look messy days later from basic use. You might assume they're great for bedrooms, but they fail at filtering light consistently. Instead of a diffused glow, the weave allows harsh, patchy spots of sunlight to pierce through. Additionally, the gray-green color looks slightly muddy rather than fresh against white walls, severely limiting where you can style them effectively. The worst offense is the shrinkage. Following the cold wash instructions perfectly, they still shrank 2 inches, ruining my floor grazing measurements. If you never wash them and ignore wrinkles, they might suit a forgotten guest room. But for primary spaces, the constant battle with maintenance makes them a frustrating choice. 6. ROSENMANDEL. Coming in at number 6 is the ROSENMANDEL, marketed heavily by IKEA as a premium room darkening curtain. I bought the dark blue version, drawn in by the promise of a rich, wool-like texture to add elegance to a dining room. In the store, the soft, brushed feel mimics high-end flannel, setting high home expectations. Unpacking and hanging the ROSENMANDEL was straightforward, and the heading tape behaved well for uniform folds. Unfortunately, the illusion of premium quality shatters once the sun comes up. Despite the room darkening label, they perform like standard light filtering drapes. They let a weird, murky blue tint filter into the room, creating a gloomy atmosphere. Practically, the brush texture is an absolute magnet for every speck of dust, pet hair, and stray lint in your house. Within a week, the dark blue panels looked like they had been dragged across a carpet. I had to use a lint roller daily just to keep them presentable, a maintenance nightmare for window treatments. The fabric also awkwardly clings to itself at the bottom, stubbornly refusing to hang straight despite training the pleats. If you have a pet-free home and need them decoratively on a north-facing window, they might work. Otherwise, the false darkening promises and daily upkeep make them fall short. 5. MAJGULL. At number 5, we see a massive leap in functional quality with the MAJGULL Blackout curtains. I tested the gray version specifically in my media room, where controlling glare is a necessity. Unlike cheap blackout curtains that feel like heavy vinyl, the MAJGULL incorporates its light-blocking technology into actual flowing drapery. The true triumph of the MAJGULL is its uncompromising ability to block light. I tested these against a direct street lamp outside my window, and the room plunged into pitch blackness immediately. This makes them an elite choice for shift workers, nurseries, or anyone requiring complete darkness for a decent night of sleep. Beyond blocking light, I noticed a palpable difference in room temperature. The thick construction acts as a fantastic thermal barrier, keeping summer heat out and trapping warm air inside during colder months. The gray tone is incredibly versatile, featuring a matte finish that blends seamlessly into modern and traditional decor. Hanging them was seamless, with sturdy heading tape accommodating both hooks and a hidden rod pocket. They have a nice, weighty drape right out of the packaging, requiring minimal steaming to look polished. While they lack the intricate natural textures of top-tier options, their flawless blackout functionality makes them an absolute workhorse. STENFRÖ. Moving up to number 4, we shift gears completely with the STENFRÖ sheer curtains. I wanted to see how IKEA handled delicate, light-filtering options, and this gray pair absolutely blew me away. Sheer curtains notoriously look like cheap mosquito netting, but the STENFRÖ offers a beautifully refined, airy presence. I layered these behind a heavier set of drapes, but they easily stand on their own. The fabric has a delicate, linen-like slub texture that catches natural light beautifully, providing a sense of depth rarely found at this price. They diffuse incoming sunlight into a soft, flattering glow while keeping the room feeling spacious. My favorite discovery while testing the STENFRÖ was the sheer level of privacy they maintain. From the inside, you retain an unobstructed view, but from the street during the day, they create an opaque, shimmering barrier. The cool gray color is incredibly chic, adding modern sophistication to the windows. Despite their delicate appearance, they prove surprisingly durable during the wash test. Placed in a delicate cycle, they emerged unscathed without a single pulled thread, drying in minutes on the rod. If you want a breezy, layered treatment that maximizes natural light without sacrificing daytime privacy, the STENFRÖ is remarkably elegant. 3. DYTÅG. Breaking into the top 3, we have the DYTÅG with ring above G curtains in white, representing IKEA's successful foray into pure linen. Natural linen curtains usually cost a small fortune at boutique stores, so I was highly skeptical. However, the moment I unpacked them, I was struck by the luxurious weight and organic texture. I hung the DYTÅG with ring above G panels in my primary bedroom to achieve a relaxed, effortlessly chic aesthetic. What makes these curtains special is how they handle light. They filter the sun through their natural weave, casting a warm, dappled illumination. The white color is crisp yet warm, instantly making the ceilings feel higher. Working with the heading tape was an absolute joy, yielding perfectly spaced, elegant pinch pleats that looked entirely custom-made. Because they are pure linen, they possess a slightly rumpled, lived-in charm. You don't need to stress over ironing them. Their subtle wrinkles lend a coastal sophistication that synthetic fibers cannot replicate. I also found they are remarkably breathable and naturally regulate window airflow. After a wash and air-dry test, they softened up even more, taking on an incredibly luxurious drape. For anyone wanting natural textiles that look thousands of dollars more expensive, the DYTÅG with ring above G is a spectacular choice redefining IKEA's capabilities. SANELA. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the SANELA curtains. I picked up the off-white version, eager to see if IKEA could pull off cotton velvet. Velvet is notoriously difficult to manufacture on a budget without looking synthetic, but the SANELA is a triumph, possessing a rich, matte pile. I installed the SANELA in my dining room, and the transformation was instantaneous. The fabric is incredibly dense, pulling straight down from the rod to create deep, precise, and luxurious folds. When you run your hand across the fabric, it feels plush and undeniably premium. The creamy off-white hue warms up the room beautifully. Functionally, the heavy cotton velvet does an exceptional job at room darkening and sound absorption. They heavily muffle incoming sunlight, creating a cozy atmosphere perfect for formal settings. Impressively, the dense weave visibly reduced the echoing in my hardwood-floored dining room, dampening outside street noise effectively. Maintenance was surprisingly straightforward. A quick pass with a garment steamer removed packaging creases, and the thick pile did not attract excessive dust. The combination of the heavy drape, stunning matte finish, and practical acoustic benefits makes the SANELA look and feel like custom theatrical drapery, immediately elevating your interior design. Finally, coming in at the undisputed number 1 spot, we have the RITVA curtains specifically highlighting the gorgeous gray-blue colorway. The RITVA is a legend in the interior design community, and after rigorous testing, it is easy to see why. Made from cotton, their texture perfectly mimics expensive linen. When I hung the RITVA in my main living room, I was astounded by the way they draped. The fabric has an incredible, weighty flow, cascading down with an elegant grace that usually requires custom lead weights. The gray-blue color is a chameleon, subtly shifting between slate gray and soft denim blue throughout the day. Functionally, the RITVA hits the absolute sweet spot for everyday living. They filter light magnificently, blocking harsh UV rays while allowing a beautiful ambient glow. The robust heading tape easily accommodates ring clips or pinch pleats, giving you total freedom to customize the final look to match your exact architectural style. The greatest strength of the RITVA is its unmatched durability. I have washed these multiple times, and they consistently come out looking softer and more relaxed, with zero structural distortion. They provide a beautiful designer-quality aesthetic at an unbeatable price point. The RITVA is simply the best window treatment you can get. So, if you want to avoid the shrinking disasters and the muddy colors I experienced during my long textile hunt, skip the trial and error. Whether you need the absolute blackout power of the MAJGULL or the unmatched linen-like drape of the RITVA, IKEA does have incredible hidden gems. Let me know in the comments which pair you are hanging in your home.